What is up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well today. As you guys can tell by today's attire, I am doing yet another Halloween video for you guys. As Halloween is right around the corner, I thought it was only fitting to do a last minute Halloween costume ideas video. In this video, we've got 10 iconic duos that are perfect for like a best friend duo kind of costume. Some of them are more suited to be worn at home at like a house party, and then some of them you could wear out trick-or-treating. It is totally up to you, but I feel like these are the most iconic kind of costumes that you could wear as twos. For this video, I actually had some very kind help from my good friend Jazz Carter. If you guys want to check out her channel as well, I'll link it in the description. If you guys are new here and you guys haven't seen my face before, hi, I'm Roxy. Welcome to my channel. If you guys want to stick around, and make sure you guys subscribe down below. I do also have plenty of other Halloween costume ideas videos, so if you guys want to check all of those out, I'll link them in the eye. But I guess if you guys want to see these last minute 10 duo costume ideas, then without further ado, let's get on into the video. Green light. Red light. Green light. Red light. Green. Red light.
stolen. Now he walked up right to me and my knees.
Alright guys, so that was everything for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed seeing these 10 different iconic duos costumes. I literally love every single one of them. I couldn't decide which one was my favorite, to be honest. So let me know which one was your favorite in the comments. If you guys do decide to recreate any of these last minute Halloween costumes, definitely tag me on Instagram. I would love to see your recreations. I feel like a lot of these costumes you could actually just achieve with regular clothing that you might already have in your wardrobe. If not, I feel like these costumes were pretty generic when it comes to the individual clothing pieces, so I feel like you could find them pretty much anywhere. I had so much fun filming this video and playing dress up for the day, so I hope you guys enjoyed. This is actually going to be my last Halloween video of the year, which I'm pretty sad about, but I'm looking forward to next year already. If you guys haven't seen my other Halloween video this month, I did 10 different last minute Halloween looks. It literally took me forever to film that video, and I actually feel like some of the looks in that video could be really easily paired with these costumes in this video. So make sure you guys check that video out as well. I hope you guys enjoy. Also, if you guys have any scary movie recommendations, definitely leave them in the comments because I'm looking for a good movie to watch on Halloween night. But yeah, that is all from me. Thank you guys so much for being here and watching this video, and hopefully I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye! Mwah.